of looks, so keep on watching this video. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started this video. Already my skin is well moisturized. Prep my face with Rainy Bollywood Filter Primer. Primer is an important first step. Using primer under my makeup will make my look last longer. I am going to use a Maybelline black eyebrow gel to fill my eyebrows. Start by creating a flawless base. I am going to use a MyGlamm Serum Concealer. Apply a teeny amount of the concealer on each eyelid and follow it up with a concealer and blending very well. Nextly, I am going to use a MyGlamm POPxo eyeshadow palette. Take the light brown shade and apply it on the crease of my eyes and blending. I am going to take this shade green from the Shystyles palette and apply it on the top of my eyes. Now take this shade golden from the Shystyles palette and apply it on my eyes. Next, I am going to use Lakme mascara to finish off the eye look. Added 2 coats of the mascara. Now next I am going to use a concealer and I will be using this one. This is Studio Swiss Beauty Palette Concealer. I am going to use a little bit of concealer in all the dark areas of my face, basically all these areas, and I am going to use blending pack sponge. Under my eyes I always dab the sponge, I don't drag it. Then for a foundation, today I will be using MyGlamm Serum Foundation shade 220 and I will be using brush to apply a foundation. I'm going to use MyGlamm Serum Concealer to conceal my all the acne scars, pimples, dark areas of my face. I'm using Sugar Cosmetic palette, bronze, and I'm lighting, contouring my cheekbones and my jawline here. Alright, moving on to blush, I'll be using same Sugar Cosmetic palette, shade Peachy Pink. I'm going to take a little bit of blush and start applying it on at the soft of my cheeks, little bit my nose as well. Now just to set the base first, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Powder Compact. I'm first going to set the areas around my eyes. So with powder brush, I'm going to take a little bit of powder, dust it and start setting my base, light it with it. Now next to highlighter my face, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty highlighter and I'm just going to highlight all the high points on my face. Lastly, I'll be using MyGlamm lipstick, shade dark brown. Last, I'll be using Maybelline lip gloss, shade pink. And yeah, this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time. Bye bye.